Hey guys, welcome to 2944 Royce Road up in Shawnigan Lake, BC. We've got a gorgeous estate property up here, really nice house in excellent shape and two massive outbuildings on the property. So you've got a garage up front here and then a huge shop in the back with a lift. Property also has two wells on it, lots of sun, great spot for a garden. And the best part about this property is you can walk to the village or to the lake. Let's go take a look. I'm a big proponent in real estate of not wasting anyone's time and doing what actually matters. So I'm not going to tell you about the house. You can look at that on your own. But something you might miss is this little generator plug right down here. The generator comes with the house. Plug it in if your power goes out and it'll run your fridge, freezer, and all the necessities. So obviously up in Shawnigan Lake, we have a lot of deer. And so these guys have set up a really nice garden here with deer fencing to keep them out. But all the raised beds are ready and yeah, ready for you to plant next year. Even though you're super close to groceries, nice to have your own garden. Okay, so here we are in the back of the property and the owners have actually cleared all the broom out of here, which is really nice because it's a bit of a pain in the neck. So this is a great spot for expansion. And if you look at the zoning and the supplements there, it'll let you know what you can do back here, but you can do something. Also, if you just go back around the tree line, it is still on your property and there's another well back there. It's a shallow well, so it would be great for irrigation or something like that. I just wanted to show you this great shop. It's massive. It's the equivalent of a 3-bay garage, really nice concrete floor. It's got an independent oil furnace in here so you can heat it up in the wintertime. Great spot for a wood shop. And then down below, you've actually got an airlift that you could put your car up on and work out up there. So great shop. Hey guys, I'm just down here at the end of West Shawnigan Lake Arm on Shawnigan Lake, and we're actually standing on the dock that belongs to the Lakehouse, which is a great spot to eat in Shawnigan. I always think it's important, you're moving into a new neighborhood, you know at least one good place to eat, and this is that spot. So we're still in Shawnigan Lake right now, and we're at Unsworth Winery, and they have some amazing wines, mostly whites, and actually I'd recommend they're sparkling. But the other unique thing about this is they don't just have a tasting room, which you can see behind us here, but they have a really great restaurant. Our final stop is Merridale Cidery, also in Shawnigan. And so if you like your alcoholic products made with apples, this is the spot to come. But actually the really cool, unique thing about the Merridale Cidery is that they do a whole bunch of different events. So this coming weekend, they're doing a cider fest, and then they're doing what's called a spirit fest, and then they do a really amazing event at Christmas time. So if you're in the area at the time, come on out.